ready.
I don't think it's ready.
You don't think it's ready?
No, it's not melted.
Come on, Megan, light it up.
Okay, Megan, back up, back up. You're gonna burn your face.
Wait, you
Huh? Okay, wait a few more seconds. Oh, look, it's melting. No. Okay, Megan, get ready to drop it in.
Who's gonna record?
I'm recording it right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, it's almost there.
Tell me when to do it. I say just do it. I'm sick of waiting.
No, just wait. Be patient. It's gonna be worth it.
Megan, you're gonna like throw your hand back and then put it here.
No, you just gotta try.
They're gonna like explode on their faces.
Alright.
Okay, it's ready.
No, not yet.
Come on. There's a whole ton of
not yet.
watching it. She's scared. Don't throw it. It'll like stutter.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Jose! Stop! No, the smoke is gonna kill us.
Alright.
Ready?
Not ready. Alright, just do
Do
it.
you think the whole thing has to be melted? No.
No.
Alright, go.
What's that? I thought it was that. This song, that.
Rest in peace, Gummy Bear. Shut up, dude.
Do it.
No, because it was good for the next
Do it.
Yeah.
Pour it in.
Oh my God.
Do it.
Okay. Oh, it's so cute.
What is it? Jose.
Oh my gosh, they're so gross. Oh! What's going on?
Whoa.
Wow.
Poor little Gummy Bears.
Rest in peace, Gummy Bears.
Ew, they look disgusting.
Oh, I want to try that.
You should. I wonder if
Did
anyone eat it?
Oh!
What? It's blowing up.
Poor corpse.
Oh my god.
Fire.
Oh my god.
It's smelling.
Whatever, that hurt you. That was awful. Oh, that's
Alright, now we got some.